ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯁꯤꯕꯥꯏꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯦꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯗ ꯆꯪꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ those security forces who deployed for our protection ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯔꯇꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯈ꯭ꯔ ꯊꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯕꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯍꯨꯏ ꯃꯥꯡꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯊꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯡꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯕꯣ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯡ ꯃꯥꯡꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ is it not issue ꯁꯤ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ 시금뭐 마양기 마사 마기 마양기 소라 손감다봐 진짜만이 방다도나 이사이세 루피유 손저기 해봐 아이는 파망 그래 마도 크라이 레게 마이클 마도디 도저기 해봐 아나 호지 at least a number of missing person 뭐 where work 방도 마양 레디 버스 이슈 나더브로 이슈 안튼 빅탄나 이슈 먹던 아이람지 데이다 아고이게 거리야봐 assembly지 아니르강 कौरग संविधान तुगाई दे हर गति असेंबली से कई दौन बलई दोनो असेंबली से कई दौन बरो असेंबली से कोई एमएलए जिन मई में फम का मसा थाक न बरो अदुरो असेंबली जी they must utilize the service of the कोई मणिपुर न होजी मई जाक ले रकान कोई एमएलए बु थबक कोई असेंबली द फंक्शन तो हंदे is not the responsibility of the this government जी responsibility नत्रो अदो लो मिनिस्टर मदु खंगद्र माने अंकली मा अनी खक फमगा याय guys अनी फम याय कना हाइरिनो who says it who is that authority I am telling it they do not understand this convention practice and the tradition parliamentary culture of the country asi bharot ki parliamentary culture tradition convention si akoi ki khangda mi na ngang gadam ne madu khangda mi na ngang gadam ne aro seida akoi hoji ki hairi ba akoi ki kari assembly gi rule si la le hybrid nun hairi seida rule la di sem do na why rule la di sem do da di sanam tare na is it not the city am common sense ki wani rule la le di sem do da no hoji le di sanam tare is it amended kini now hairi rule si hoji lei tabla lady haijagre lei bi maram haijagre lei trasu bharat ki parliament hammi sini Housing Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi na haibangam bro baro si lang boy Indian international situation na patavani na ai thabak sangre parliament phamoi haise I will put this question to this government to the Honorable Prime Minister of India Sri Modi da hangi ma haibangam bro can he speak it yes ai lo semningai leite an ai semningai lo lejote ai parliament ki business they take the Ethiopia ne ba ai thabak chili khanaro hardi this prime minister is not above the parliament belongs to the people this law minister is not above the assembly he is not above the people this government is not above the assembly they are responsible to the government to the assembly we assembly is responsible oidabro aduna akoi ngangnari ba nakal ani dagi ai sai hangajabda yaure ai Aikoi makoi ngangnari babu tambi ngamba Manipur praja mayam leiri bane adu ma praja mayam mamang do madaida Shri Basantana hairi wasi na summi na hairagadi adu praja singna akoi jibu karino haidage akoi ji budu fain jaroidro sangani ta de budu fain jaedo akoi budu fain jaroidro yes congress utamin leibi again ai utamin leibi what people will think about it akoi ji budu fain jaroidro Manipur mai ja about the akoi assembly si 안디는 또 밤니에 거기에 선비단은 비브니가 안 레토바 마니푸르시 메이 작는 제 더나 되게 아케노 되게 시바이에 그노 되게 미망그라 미망그라 갑비 뭐 콜리 뭐 땡다리 뭐 아래기 토리 안시가 레이바 비지필라니 아시디 라예가 아이나 비지필라니 아시딘 아예가가 아시 레박 원토에 now manifest become the sea lepak it has become a hell what are the business like the guy na akoigi yes akoi business like aduna akoi assembly phamoi di agani munamdi moina puthokdramina ado manipur gi hojik leiri bus deida akoi business like haidu di akoi prajana chu ta bo wagani adigi akoi miyam na madu harau do ponate lehen batavni ado maikai du da akoi di ado changin da na samvidana akoi kari ani raktang haivani अनिरक्तु था तरुक लेरगा अमु गौरदी लाइगी सोइदनबा assembly di leiba yae to ne abadu laigi soida yae ba it is procedural law adu procedural law violate to by fair mase convention practice tradition culture mayam na punna leiba soglaga leiba adu gumba procedural law mu thuai by fair arai bna teba adu sanna roi ga si ada masih semtuoni masih sanadre kari ba prithvi kari ba akoi ge gai na no rule of summoning 3 session in the year is we have the rule Mr. Basanta, we have the rule. This is the rule. This is the
Mana
rule.
di override tagundi.
Then you have no authority to say it. You have no authority at all to say it. As a government, this government has no authority to say it. And this central government does not have any authority to say it. See, rule like the Basanta Toki, Sarkar Toki, Narayan Modin Ngamde. I'm telling it. Could the Indian Prime Minister claim it? Andra. Rule the e like the rule the e like the rule state the rule the e like the idea. She the e is the curry wine Urubzam. She the curry wine Urubzam. The curry wine is it amended? It still exists. Curry I don't understand. Curry Haini. She ladies in it. This is the rule. It is exists. She rules in it. And she government she lied and Barot Sarkar Haidi. She rules she lied. And Masi Bible by Jay. Procedural law, Ergasu, custom, culture, convention, practice. Parliamentary practice, convention, Mayamna, Adamina, Madu Nainadana, Sambidan after Nainabane Aroy, Sambidan, I do the Loni, Madugi, Sambidan Lusan about procedural law to me, Madugo procedural law to the Sambidan article na direct Shemiba, Karimukande, symbol laws here, Masibu, call and the Sadhana Karihayabu. It is a part of the constitution and is known as the fundamental law of the country. However, Singapore parliamentary practice ki Singapore say it is the fundamental law of the country, part and parcel of the constitution and the fundamental law of the country. However, what this call and the Sadhana Haimani Yengo.